Accountants actually make great business development people and great salespeople. Why? Number one, they are brilliant at listening. They don't need to do all the talking and have great egos and take over. Number two, they're brilliant at solving problems. And number three, they can analyse cost versus return. All of those are superb skills we need for business development. However, you need a bit of help. That's where I come in. I've developed for you my 5 steps to growing your accountancy practice. This is my proven method that I've been using with so many different practices over the last few years. Step number 1, you need a sales plan, and I can help you put that together. Number 2, start prospecting and generating some leads. Number 3, the sleeping sales force will stay sleeping. Go to networking events, get yourself out there and start talking to potential leads. Number 4, always ask for business and always ask for referrals. And finally, a passion for selling, something that probably doesn't come naturally to you, but we can help you to develop. Download the free ebook now at the Sales Training Academy.